So what happening? 180 basically this part. Okay, this part of this diameter divided by 2 into by 2. It is so now we start the area of a circle. Okay, in previous video we already know about the area of square, the area of rectangle, area of triangle. Okay, here there is a one more formula of the area of this triangle. If you don't know the height of the triangle, then there is one more formula which is an, I think Hero's formula or Caesar formula. I don't know the perfect name, but one more formula. But okay, now that is little bit higher study. I'm just dealing with the basics of mathematics. So now we are in a area of circle. So the formula of area of circle is nothing but the pi into radius square. Okay, nothing but the pi r square. You can see that. Similarly, the value of pi is pi by 2, and if in an angle it is generally showing the 180 degree. Okay, okay. So now suppose in this area, what is the area of now in this video first we try to know what the meaning of square. If we square anything like here, the area of a square, it is, that's why we call this as a square, because its area is also a square of itself. Okay? Like the side of a, then the square of a is the area of that square side is a, basically. And the another meaning is also the square of is that when you need to calculate the every point of the any line. Okay, when you want to calculate the every point of any line with itself. Okay, suppose there is one line. Okay, p, suppose this is the one line. Okay, this is one line. Okay, and this line is of 1 meter. Okay, 2 meter. Okay, 3 meter. Okay, 4 meter. Okay, 5 meter. Okay, 6 meter. 7 meter, and this 8 meter. Okay. Okay. So what its meaning? It's suppose karo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 meter. Means 8 square. 64. Okay, we get the value 64. If we square this line, means we just calculating the every point of itself. Okay, just every point. Okay, just we calculate the every point of itself. The meaning of it, because when you want to know the area of this, just we want to just replicate this line in every part of the circle, and then we calculate. Then we want to calculate it. Means this point, 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 this point. Okay, and when we multiply it with pi, so we get the whole area. Just this thing is happening here. Okay, nothing but this thing is happening here. Okay, okay. So in this example, you can understand this thing. Okay. Okay, this is happening in this. Okay, just I don't want to make it so complicated, so this all, so this explanation is I think sufficient for you. Now we come to cuboid, cylinder, and coin. Okay, so let's take a cuboid. Yeah, now if you, so here, so as you know the formula of this square. Okay, you know the formula of it. So cube is nothing but a box having squares on it each side. Cube is nothing but the box having a square of in of its each side. You can see that the every dimension of it is of equal size. Like in cube, there is an, three things: height, base, and length. Okay, what one is, suppose this we take this as a width. Okay, and this as we take as a length. Okay, and one thing is remaining, like this yeah, this line. Suppose this line. Okay, this time doing some other color on it. Yeah, with the help of this line. Okay, this is nothing but the height. Yeah, height. Okay, this width, this length, they all are of same size. Okay, but we have to calculate it but no the formula of square. So we can simply say that the cube is a combination of six squares. Like one is this size, which is on our side, one is on back side, one is on this 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 side. So nothing but the six into a into a. This is the area of the square. 6 into a into a. Okay. Basically this. This is, but they are all are of same size. So you can say them as a same, as a one thing only, width, height, and length. So we just uh, name them as a variable and then multiplied it. So this is the formula of cuboid. Okay, okay. Now I think you can understand. And now this is a three-dimensional figure. One dimension is this. One dimension is its width. One dimension of its height. One dimension of its length. Now the one more concept comes here, which is a volume, because you calculate the area. Area means the space in its surface have is area, but the volume is that inbound space between these surfaces. Okay, if suppose you have a matches box, in matches box there between there is a space where where the sticks are like kept. Okay, so that total space, if you take out all sticks and then you see there is vacant space, and that vacant space, when you want to calculate that vacant space, that is the volume. That includes all this, all its area. How much thing we can place in this box is the volume, and volume is nothing but it is a three-dimensional quantity volume. Okay, so it is nothing but the a. It is nothing but the a into a nine a into a. Yeah, this is the volume, and from this you can understand this area have its unit is in square. Okay, like you can see that pi r square. Okay, this is in square because suppose radius in a meter, 2 meter, 2 meter, when multiplied both meter, they are in square. Okay, in this, suppose this side is in 3 meter, this side is 2 meter, and we multiply 3 into 2 6, but when meter and meter multiplied, it is a meter square. Okay, similarly in here meter square. So in here it is nothing just a meter cube. Okay, so from this you can understand that volume is in a volume, basic unit is in cube, like meter into meter into meter is nothing but a to the power 3 meter to the power 3. So meter is in cube form. So that's why we can call this as a cube also, because it is a three-dimensional square. So this is the square. So we they when multiplied two things, so we call them as a square. Particular similar thing, and this side are similar, similar length, same length. So square. Up now, this all three sides are in same side, same length. So we call it as a cube. Okay. Now comes to cuboid. Okay. Now we comes to cuboid. Yeah, yeah. Cuboid. So in cuboid also the same thing. First I just explain one dimension is of this. I don't know what is happening here. Oh, sorry. This, this, yeah. One side is this. Okay. Suppose. Oh, sorry. Okay, okay, okay. One side is, yeah, and one side is of yellow color. Okay. As you can see that this is also three-dimensional figure. One side is this, one side is this, and one side is this. Okay. So you can also, these sides are also like, this is a width. Okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah, this is a width. Sorry. Yeah, this is the width, which is represented by p. Okay, this is the height. Consider this side as height because it is looking like a height. Okay, and this side is nothing but the length. So in three-dimensional, there are three things. When you are in a room, and you can see the corner side, any corner side of your room, which is of square shape. Here, if suppose these all sides are perpendicular to each other, this is the one property of square and cube. So in a cuboid and a square, in a cuboid and cube, every dimension of it is perpendicular to each other. Okay, and they are a three-dimensional figure because they have a three dimension, one dimension, two dimension, three dimension, height, length, and width. And everything, every object which we can touch is basically of three dimension. It's have its height also, its width also, and its length also. So now, suppose now, it's little bit lengthy formula, area formula of cuboid, but we know if we want to calculate this upper surface area of any rectangle, because it is made up of rectangle, it is made up of a square, it is made up of rectangle. So the breadth into length. Okay, so b in into length. Okay, plus. Okay, now this and this both parts are equal. Okay, this part and this part. Okay, I just take this part and this part is equal. Okay, so so you can say that here is a multiplication of this whole. Okay, so just to basically be what is happening, basically be making this. Okay, now the area of this part, nothing but this is the length and this is the height, so multiplication of both, so length into height. Okay, and plus because this is also similar, this part is similar, this part is similar, that's why this cuboid. Okay, now remaining part is this, the face which is shown to us, and similar is the back part. Okay, so what it is, breadth and this height. So simply breadth and height. Okay, so this is nothing but the formula of what, the formula area of cuboid. Okay, this is the, and the volume of cuboid is so simple. Okay, you can understand from this, it's nothing but the area of this area, this area, this area, this area, this area of this rectangle, area of this thing. It have a six face, so suppose this one face, two face, three face multiplied by two, so totally six face, and this is nothing but the area of six rectangles we combined here, nothing but that. Now comes to the volume. Similarly, here is the one side, two side, three sides. So we multiply by a into a because the all sides are equal. But here the sides are vary with their length. So nothing but the b. Okay, multiply by n multiply by h. Okay, it's similar to this. Okay, this is the form for a volume. The total surface here, the air is kept between this box. Is that the volume is okay. So I think this figure is okay. Now it's time to slender. Okay, and then they are also so simple. Okay, so just it is a slender. Okay, so control plus C, and here we put control plus B. Yeah, suppose this is a cylinder. Up now, cylinder have two things, one this circle, one is this circle. Okay, so just a simple thing, in cylinder formula there must be the two circle. Okay, so as we go through this is the pi r square formula of a circle. Just to be, there's two circles, just to be multiplied by two, nothing but. Okay, so we multiplied by two, this is the, you can see that. Yeah, this is the, this, now we just now we have to just take this area. Okay, now suppose when you take this out and this circle out. Okay, now what is this? It's nothing but just if just I give you one example. Okay, sorry, control plus C. Oh, oh sorry, control plus C, control plus V. So now just you think we included these circles. Okay, so now we don't need these circles. This circle, this upper circle is lost. So after moving the circle, what is left? It is left this part only. The cylinder of it is a round shape, so this part only. Okay, so if you open any, suppose you have a paper, you round it. Okay, you take you make it roll, so it is just a paper roll. Okay, so when you open the paper roll, it is of rectangle size. Okay, so it's of rectangle size. So this is the paper, and the you start from here and you roll it, and it is end here. Okay, so when you open it, it is like a seat, a rectangular seat. Okay, nothing but a rectangular seat. So in paper, okay, in paper, the rectangular sheet have a length of just simply this area. Malab, this boundary of the circle is the length of it, because when we open it, and this say what, it's a breadth and its length. So okay, nothing but suppose it is what, suppose this is nothing. When you roll this around this, sorry, we don't need it. Okay, so when you round this seat, it is of cylindrical shape. So just to be need to now add the area of this area, this seat in this formula. So simply we add this, nothing we do extra, we simply add. So what the formula of it? So it is the plus sign. Okay, now you have to think that this is nothing but the height. Okay, so this is nothing but the height. Okay, so we make it as a h. Okay, because this is the nothing but the height of the cylinder. Okay, so just I write here h. Now this, what is this, how we calculate this? So you can imagine this, this is nothing but the circumference of the circle. It's nothing but the circumference of a circle. So the length of this portion is the nothing but the circumference of the circle. So here we just I forget to say about the area, the circumference of a circle, or you can say the parameter of the circle. So the formula of the parameter of circle is nothing but the 2 pi r. What? 2, okay, pi and r. So just I copy this portion. Yeah. I am sorry, Babu, I am sorry. It is this portion, okay. So this is the area of a what cylinder, okay. Or you can simplify it, okay. So as a simplify you, so what you can do, just mm, just what you can say that so the first of all I want to clarify, this is nothing but, this side is nothing but the height, mm, height, okay, and this side is nothing but the circumference, okay, circumference. I think this is the correct spelling. Yeah, this is the correct spelling. This is nothing but the circumference. So when you simplify this formula, so it's nothing but the 2 common, 5 common, and radius common, okay. So 2 common, oh sorry, 2 common, okay, 2 common and the pi common and the radius common, okay. 2 common, pi common, and the radius common, and the remaining portion. So what is now remaining? The one radius in here, because it is this radius in an r square, radius square. This two is not in multiple. It is in power of, radius have a power of 2, but I can't represent in the paint brush, so that's why I did it like that. And now the remaining portion is nothing but uh, radius, okay, radius plus h. So this is the formula. This is the formula of a cylinder. So just I want to clear this thing, okay. I just want to write it in a good way. So make it the length is 20, okay, and right here. So now it is showing as the power of 2, okay. And now I just do same with everything. No, here no need, here no, yeah, here need. So just I delete this, okay, and I control plus V. No, sorry. Okay. I just take a copy of this portion and add here. So this is the perfect formula. Okay, so this is the formula of a cylinder. Okay, now you can understand it. Now the only thing is remaining is this cone. Okay, so as we go through the cone. Okay, sorry. Mm, we take cone here. Okay, we take it cone here. This is the cone. So in cone, again there is a one thing, okay, which is the circle. So the area of circle, we know that this is the area of circle, okay. So take it. So one thing we take is a circle, okay. Now other thing is this portion. So in area the two things are there, okay. One is it's have a length also and height also. The one height is this, okay, and another height the cone have is this. Oh sorry, I need this color. Yeah, this. Okay, so this height is represented by h, okay. This height is represented by h and this is represented by l, okay. But in area we need only this height. So no, we need both of them, okay. So suppose you have a paper and you, I think you can understand this. When you roll a paper from the only one end, okay, it forms a shape of cone. Like when you eat peanuts, when you eat peanuts from shop, you go to market and take some peanuts from the shop. They roll it the paper in a cone shape and then fill it. So the paper is of if it is best if it is of like this shape, okay. What, it is of this shape. Oh sorry, no, we don't want this light, we need this light, okay. So this is the, when you open it, okay, so when you open it, so it is like a, it is feel like a arc of a circle, okay. So I just represent it by a good way, okay. So suppose, oh sorry, yeah, this is the circle, Okay, and this is its center point. Okay, now you want to make a cone, so just simply cut this like just simply cut this circle from suppose here. This you cut this portion and you roll it like just you joint this corner to this corner. So you get this type of shape, okay, this kind of shape. And when you cut it, it's nothing but you got suppose when you cut, you got oh sorry simply oh this this okay. And first of all, I have to make the size of it is 22, color is 20, and now we will add plus this 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 and this. So this length वर्ग से what the circumference of it, and this वर्ग the air. Okay, okay, plus nothing but the r, the l, and the y. Okay, sorry, x l and one more thing we need this thing. Oh sorry, yeah, this. Oh sorry, yeah, yeah. This is the formula. Okay, what pi r is radius, area of this area, and area of this portion. So it is a pi into l into r is nothing but the area of the radian. Okay, area of this radian. Suppose we know the length of this portion and we know the radius of this circle. Then this circle is nothing but when we cut it, it is forming when we join this, it is formed this cone and making one this whole circle. So this whole circle is nothing but this portion, this portion. Okay, this portion is this whole circle. So what we need this portion and this. So this r is representing not this radius. This r is representing this radius. Okay, this radius. So just I want to indicate here. This is the nothing but the r. This r is nothing but the this. Okay, this. And yeah, what happening? Yeah, this is nothing but this r, this r, this r. They both are same, and this is nothing but this r. So when we add them, when we simplify this formula, so it is nothing but the it is nothing but the pi. Okay, pi, and then r. Okay, 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 okay. Just to be sorry, the this supposed to be add pi here. Okay, r. Okay, the bracket. Okay, r plus l l. Okay, this is the formula of it. Okay, so we need to just we need to add the pi here. Just a simple thing we can do is okay, this pi r l. This is the formula of a cone. Okay, so you can see that r is common from both sides. Okay, and pi is common from the both sides. This r and this r, both are same, so it is common. And now the remaining there is a r square, means there is a 2r. So one r is remaining, one l is remaining. So this one r and one l. This is the formula of a what? Formula of a coin area. Area formula of a coin. Okay, this is basically a slant height. So this is represented by l. Okay, so this is that l. Which is this l? This is that l. This is all. No, oh, sorry. It isn't like which is that l? I think. Oh, sorry. This is that l. Okay, so when we round off, yeah, this is that l. Okay. This circle have some different area r. So this r is working as a l here. So this is nothing but the l, and this r is nothing but when we join this. So there is the one circle form, which is and this is base circle. So this base circle have its own r, its own radius, and this r is nothing but that. Okay. So now you can get this. I can simplify it more good way. If you not understand, so comment down this thing if you not understand. Okay, so I will simplify